Hey guys, so I'm glad to share this small game with you because we released a new version of Bit by Bit, which includes many new components allowing you to pick up the keyboard, mouse events, check ray intersections, do some basic collision detection, and all in real time, of course, when coding this kinds of scripts that we allow in visual programming language called Blockly. You see here that we have a plane flying that is being controlled by the arrow keys of the keyboard. You can try it yourself. The goal of the game is to just collect as many of those bubbles as possible by hitting them with a ray going from the plane. That's the script which we open sourced and which is accessible for you publicly under MIT license. So you can look it up. You can see how the logic is being implemented, how various code elements interact with each other to create this small game-like experience that counts time and does score and allows you to pause the game and start it again. These kinds of things seem simple, but we are happy to have shown how to do that here. Thanks guys. See you in the next videos. Cheers.